Zamil Industrial is a leading manufacturing, industrial, and construction organization that was established in 1998 by merging several Zamil family-owned business. And in 2002, when we decided that we need an analytics platform, and we were thinking that about the traditional solution available in the market from the last 10 years, and we're trying to find what's most suitable for us. And when we took so much time in order to come up with our first platform, and we faced the challenges, we thought that maybe we need a better solution. But we were still thinking within the traditional analytics platforms until one of our team members started talking about Incorta. Once we started talking about the differences between the technology and the methodology that Incorta is using and between the traditional application, we started seeing the benefit. And every time we got deeper in the discussion, so we understand more about their subscription model or about real-time analytics that they can provide. And once in the POC, once we found out that we were able to load our whole GL data of 2 years in just 4 minutes, that was impressive for us. And this is where we took the decision. And then we moved on to the report that we were not able to generate using the old application because it brings data from 2 or sometimes 3 applications. And we started showing results with these reports. And this is where got interested for the business. And they started asking us for more and more until we ended up with more than 50 different dashboards. And we have right now, more than 180 users using Incorta daily. And this is just maybe 10 to 20% of the number of users we're targeting. The key feature that we liked in Incorta is first, the number of data sources that we can connect to, because we have multiple data sources in different applications, and we still have some other data sources that we are planning to integrate. The next feature is the near real-time data analytics. The performance of the data extraction in Incorta is much better than the normal traditional ETL processes. The subscription model that we have with Incorta helped us to onboard as many users as we want in Incorta. Okay, so there's no restriction on the number of users. We have one subscription based on the size of data, and that encourages us to add more and more users. One of the key features that we liked in Incorta, having the ready-made apps, which help us to deliver ready-made KPIs faster. It requires some tuning, but in the end, the repository and the model is there. And even though that sometimes we target some of the modules of some of the tables that's not in Incorta, the way that Incorta works, especially with the Fusion, by extracting the data object directly from Fusion to Incorta, made it very easy for us to create a new dashboard and new analytics. And that's why within a year time, we're having more than 50 dashboards. I think the main benefit business is getting is how fast we can develop a new dashboard for them, and how easy they can even start utilizing the application in order to create their own dashboard. So to compare with the old solution that we were using, we spent like 8 months trying to come up with 1 or 2 dashboards. In Incorta, we were able to do this in just 3 days. And with the same period that took us 1 or 2 dashboards to develop over 50 dashboards in Incorta. And that's what's really benefit or make the difference for the business, because in the end, business can see the dashboard in any platform. But how fast he can rely and get these dashboards, this is the main key differentiator.